Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the word for when the light from a star is blocked by another celestial object? Is it A. Waning, B. Eclipse, C. Occultation, or D. Transmutation? The answer is B. Eclipse.
An eclipse, a celestial spectacle, occurs when one heavenly body obscures another. The word eclipse comes from the Greek eklypsis, meaning abandonment or downfall. Historically, eclipses were seen as omens. In 585 BC, a solar eclipse famously halted a battle between the Lydians and Medes, leading to an unexpected truce.
Question 2. By what process is rock worn down by the weather? Is it A. Erosion, B. Sediment, C. Vegetation, or D. Sublimation? The answer is A. Erosion.
Erosion, nature's relentless sculptor, shapes landscapes over millennia. Wind, water, and ice work tirelessly to wear down mountains into valleys and carve canyons from solid rock. The Grand Canyon is a stunning testament to erosion's power, having been formed over millions of years by the persistent flow of the Colorado River.
Question 3. What is ethnology the study of? Is it A. Race, B. Ethics, C. Parasites, or D. Rocks? The answer is A. Race.
Ethnology, the fascinating study of race and cultures, delves into the intricate tapestry of human societies. It explores how diverse groups interact, adapt, and evolve over time. By examining customs, languages, and traditions across the globe, ethnologists uncover shared human experiences that transcend geographical boundaries while celebrating unique cultural identities.
Question 4. What is the process by which both milk and blood can become semisolid? Is it A. Pasteurization, B. Clotting, C. Distillation, or D. Filtration? The answer is B. Clotting.
Clotting is a fascinating process where proteins transform liquids into gels. In milk, this creates delicious cheese through the action of enzymes like rennet. Meanwhile, in blood, clotting is a life-saving mechanism that prevents excessive bleeding by forming a protective barrier over wounds. Both processes showcase nature's ingenious chemistry.
Question 5. A young butterfly is known as what? Is it A. a spiderling, B. a codling, C. a caterpillar, or D. a chick? The answer is C. a caterpillar.
Before a butterfly graces the skies, it begins life as a caterpillar, munching through leaves with an insatiable appetite. This larval stage is crucial for growth, allowing the future butterfly to store energy. Some caterpillars can even mimic bird droppings or snake heads to deter predators, a true master of disguise.
Question 6. In computing, what term does the word modem come from? Is it A. Monodemo, B. Modulate demodulate, C. Modular emitter, or D. Modern demograph? The answer is B. Modulate demodulate.
The term modem is a portmanteau of modulate and demodulate. It refers to the device's ability to convert digital data from a computer into analog signals for transmission over phone lines, and vice versa. This ingenious technology was pivotal in connecting the world during the early days of the Internet.
Question 7. What is the lowest grade of coal called? Is it A. lignite, B. iodine, C. metamorphosis, or D. quartz? The answer is A. lignite.
Lignite, often dubbed brown coal, is the youngest and most moisture-rich form of coal. Its earthy texture and lower carbon content make it less efficient for energy production, but fascinatingly, it's a geological snapshot of ancient plant material, offering clues to Earth's prehistoric climate conditions millions of years ago.
Question 8. Who discovered X-rays in 1895? Is it A. Röntgen, B. Maxwell, C. Einstein, or D. Curie? The answer is A. Röntgen.
Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, the physicist who discovered X-rays in 1895, stumbled upon them accidentally while experimenting with cathode rays. His first X-ray image was of his wife's hand, revealing her bones and wedding ring. This groundbreaking discovery earned him the first ever Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901.
Question 9. A male sea lion is known as what? Is it A. drone, B. a bull, C. a tersel, or D. a rooster? The answer is B. a bull.
In the world of pinnipeds, male sea lions are called bulls, a term that reflects their commanding presence and territorial nature. During breeding season, these bulls can weigh up to 1,000 pounds and fiercely defend their harems on crowded beaches, often engaging in dramatic vocal battles to assert dominance.
As we part ways, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravity. Keep orbiting around those questions until next time. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Good night for now, until we cross paths again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.